Okay, my new Jackie. We got another. You can just go ahead and say let's take the this part out. Archie, okay. Okay, we'll just follow along. Okay. She has clothes, but I don't.
However, we also have animals that we care for as well, and that's our top priority is to care for our animals. So earlier today, we started moving some of our animals, like our African penguins and a few others, up to higher ground to make sure they are safe throughout the storm. We have 9 African penguins, and they are on our first floor and in their home. But we do have temporary home built for them, and they've moved up to the second floor, well above any type of tidal surge that might affect the building. And then we have several animals around the building that are on the ground floor that have all moved to second floor locations and safe locations that we plan for things like this. So they have nice homes, even though they may be a little temporary.